Welcome to our YouTube only online extra thing that we do. It's Jeff and Des talk about movies and TV shows that we watch. Yeah. So,
What?
I called you a name during the show. I did. I called you a name during the show. And so we're going to talk about their movie that we just watched, 2 weeks ago? I called you Beavis.
Oh, yeah, you did. Well, there was a good reason for that.
Let's talk about Beavis and Butthead. Let's get right into it. Beavis and Butthead do the universe. Let's talk about that. We're both Beavis and Butthead fans because, it was in the 90s, so we were just out of high school. You were a teenager. I was just out of high school, and I was like, this is the best thing in the world. And I always thought there was, it was dumb, okay? Beavis and Butthead, they're dumb. The show wasn't dumb. When you watch it back now, and it's more apparent with Mike Judge's later work, of course Idiocracy and Silicon Valley, and even King of the Hill and stuff. It's you understand he's a sharp-witted man. So with that said, Beavis and Butthead Do the Universe was better than I expected. Yeah. I really liked it. It wasn't as good as Beavis and Butthead Do America. Because that movie was way better than it ever should have been. But this had it wasn't too preachy. It had slight commentary on some things. But, he hides it well. He makes, Mike Judge, when he has something to say, it's he doesn't beat you over the head with it, which is great.
No, and he presents it from a very simple point of view because they're very simple people.
Yeah, you do see, modern day through the eyes of Beavis and Butthead, which is great. And you get to learn Beavis's mom's name. I didn't, I don't remember her name though, actually, but they mentioned her name in the movie.
Yeah, you get a little background on him.
You get a tiny little bit. We're drinking Mountain Dew, Flaming Hot Mountain Dew, and Fireball.
Drinking wine at the moment.
I'm drinking some white wine. Thank you, University Wine Company. But okay, back to Beavis and Butthead. You get a little bit of backstory, a little bit more backstory to Beavis, which I thought was great.
But not too much, because you don't want to know everything. It was,
So what did you think of it?
I loved
from 1 to 10.
Oh, 8.
You gonna give it 8? Okay.
Yeah, because I'm a huge fan.
Yeah.
I'm immature. I like that kind of humor.
I'm gonna give it 7.5. Only because I thought the first movie was better. Beavis and Butthead Do America was better.
Yeah, but is that because of the age we were when that came out?
Maybe, I don't know. That's just how I feel. I don't know.
What if I tell you feel wrong?
It should be it's an 8 then. All right, fine, it's an 8.
No, you're right. Some of the jokes. Well, you know what? This hasn't been out long enough because those jokes have stood the test of time.
Yes. Isn't that so goddamn?
Yeah. There's so many, but in 10, 15 years, we may be quoting this movie too.
It is good though. If you haven't seen it, what was it on Paramount Plus? Yeah.
Yes.
We signed up for that just for Beavis and Butthead. That's us. There you go.
Worth it. Yeah.
All right. Before we go though, one little addition here. We watched the first episode of season 3 of The Boys. If you don't know what if you don't know what the streaming show The Boys is, this is what it is. It is a realistic depiction of if superheroes were real. There's 3 seasons right now on Amazon Prime. I've loved every minute of this. It's if you're a comic book fan, you probably know about this because it started off as a comic book. But even before that, it takes a lot from the other superhero comic book that was all about what if superheroes were real. Watchmen. It's very similar to Watchmen, but it's not as dark. It's more cynical. It's more satirical. But I really think this is exactly what would happen if superheroes were real.
Yeah, but there's humor in there, but there's a lot of shocking things.
Yeah, it is not for children. Not even
close. No.
But it's intriguing. We only watched the first episode of the 3rd season. We got to catch up.
It was good.
But it was good. And I'm looking forward to watching the rest of the season. Yeah. So far, though, the first 2 seasons were fantastic, I thought.
I really liked it.
I like it better than the graphic novel. Sorry, comic book purists, but it's just how it is. And before we go, Better Call Saul. I can't wait to see how it ends. I know you didn't watch.
I have no.
Yeah.
I can't. I have nothing to put in here.
It's up there with Breaking Bad, though. It really is, and actually it's on tonight. So we're gonna go, and I'm gonna go watch it. So there's our movie reviews, our TV streaming, whatever. Enjoy it if you even watch this, because we don't have a lot of subscribers, and we should, and we don't. So there you go. And because we drink and we watch movies, so
it's what we do.
Yep. That's what we do. I still haven't seen Stranger Things season 4 though.
All right, that's next on the list.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, because our daughter's ready to kill us.
Because she actually
what?
put Master of Puppets on yesterday when we were in the car.
All right, okay. So then you could level her up to start listening to Megadeth.
You know, if it doesn't appear in that show, she's not going to listen to it. But I mean,
or Maiden.
Yeah, we'll get her there. I don't know.
Okay. Tell her whole backstory between Metallica and Megadeth. Did you tell her that yet?
She's not going to care right now.
No, maybe she will.
No.
Master Puppets is a good song, though.
Yeah. I'll work her into the rest of it.
Okay, yeah. This is like that's the gateway drug to good metal.
There you go.
It is. All right, that's it. See you later. Bye.